What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna show you my latest pickups for today. I got Nightmare Alley and I got Spider-Man No Way Home. Let's take a look at Nightmare Alley first. Don't know anything about this movie. The only reason why I picked it up was because it got a good review on the IMDb. Got 7.1 out of 10, so that's a good review. Saw a couple of videos on YouTube and everybody gave it good reviews, so I decided to pick it up. And so here's the front, here's the spine, here's the back, and let's take a look inside. All right, the same. All right, let's take a look. And you got the Blu-ray disc on this side, and you got the 4K Ultra HD on this side. So yeah, that is Nightmare Alley. All right, so let's take a look at the Spider-Man No Way Home. Here's the front. Here's the spine. Here's the back. And this past weekend, I recently I rewatched Homecoming and Far From Home just to, before getting this one, just to refresh my memory. Really enjoyed them. So I'm sure that I'm gonna enjoy this one as well. They say this one is really good. Can't wait to watch it. So let's take a look here. And they both have a nice disc art. So we got the Blu-ray here, and we got the 4K Ultra HD on this side. So yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch the Spider-Man No Way Home tonight. So yeah, those were my latest pickups for today. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Facebook. Posted the link on the description down below. And stay safe, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye.